Join me as I dive into my latest smartphone to uncover the hidden features and secrets that you probably didn't know about. Welcome back to my channel. You might think you know your smartphone like the back of your hand, but the truth is, there's a lot more going on beneath the surface than you might realize. Today, we're going to talk about the hidden features of your smartphone that can take your mobile experience to the next level. A lot of people think of their smartphones as simple devices that just make calls, send texts, and browse the internet. But the reality is, our smartphones are incredibly complex devices that are capable of so much more. From advanced sensors to powerful software features, there's a lot of technology packed into that tiny little device in your pocket. In fact, many of us barely scratch the surface of what our smartphones are capable of. We get stuck in our routine of checking social media, playing games, and texting our friends without ever really exploring the full range of features that our devices have to offer. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Explore the hidden features of your smartphone that you might not know about. But before we dive in, I want to ask you, do you think you know everything your smartphone can do? Have you ever stopped to think about all the little things that your device can do that you might not be taking advantage of? From hidden settings to secret features, there's a lot to explore, and I'm excited to share some of my favorite hidden gems with you. Inside your smartphone, there are all sorts of hidden components that work together to enhance your user experience. From proximity sensors that detect when your phone is near your ear, to fingerprint readers that keep your device secure, there are a lot of tiny little details that make a big difference. And then there are the software features, from gesture controls to customization options. There are so many ways to tailor your smartphone to your needs and preferences. One of the coolest hidden features of modern smartphones is something called always-on displays. These displays allow you to see important information like the time, notifications, and even fitness tracking data without ever having to wake up your phone. It's a small thing, but it's surprisingly useful, and it's just one example of the many hidden features that can make a big difference in how you use your device. Another hidden feature that I want to talk about is something called multi-window mode. This feature allows you to have multiple apps open at the same time, which can be a total game changer for productivity. Imagine being able to browse the web and take notes at the same time, or reference a document while writing an email. It's a feature that can totally transform how you use your smartphone. And then there's the hidden feature that I think is the most astonishing of all, augmented reality. With AR, you can use your smartphone camera to overlay digital information onto the real world. It's a feature that's still in its early days, but it has the potential to totally change how we interact with our devices and the world around us. So there you have it, a few of the hidden features of your smartphone that can take your mobile experience to the next level. From always-on displays to augmented reality, there's a lot to explore. I hope this video has inspired you to dig deeper into your device and see what kind of cool features you can find. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the hidden world of smartphones. If you've got a favorite hidden feature that I didn't mention, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more smartphone tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other video on 10 things you didn't know your smartphone could do. We start by teasing a groundbreaking hidden feature in the latest smartphones that could change how we use our devices daily. As we reveal more clues, we build anticipation for the big reveal. Along the way, we uncover several other lesser-known features, each one adding to the excitement. Finally, we unveil the game-changing feature, demonstrating its potential impact on our digital lives. Audience goals. Viewers will feel a growing sense of curiosity and excitement as they learn about unexpected smartphone capabilities. They'll gain practical knowledge about maximizing their device's potential and feel empowered to explore these features themselves. By the end, they'll have a renewed appreciation for their smartphones and feel motivated to dig deeper into their device's settings. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Problem solution result. Unique angle. We begin by highlighting common frustrations smartphone users face daily: battery drain, storage issues, and privacy concerns. For each problem, we introduce a hidden feature that offers a solution. We then demonstrate the real-world impact of using these features, showing before and after scenarios. The narrative builds as we tackle increasingly significant issues, culminating in a revelation about a feature that addresses multiple pain points at once. Audience goals. Viewers will relate to the problems presented and feel a sense of relief as solutions are revealed. They'll learn practical tips to improve their smartphone experience and feel more in control of their devices. By the end, they'll have a toolkit of features to address their most pressing smartphone issues, leading to increased satisfaction with their devices and a sense of tech savviness. We challenge the common belief that all important smartphone features are prominently displayed. We start by showcasing a seemingly basic phone, then gradually reveal its hidden depths. Each feature we uncover contradicts popular assumptions about what smartphones can do. We build tension by hinting at an ultimate feature that goes against everything we think we know about these devices. The resolution comes with the revelation of this feature, forcing viewers to reconsider their entire perspective on smartphone capabilities. Viewers will experience a paradigm shift in how they view their smartphones. They'll feel surprised and intrigued as their assumptions are challenged. Throughout the video, they'll gain new insights into their device's potential, leading to a sense of discovery and excitement. By the end, they'll approach their smartphones with renewed curiosity, eager to explore and experiment with features they previously overlooked. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.